Welcome to this tutorial. How to create poll on Instagram. Are you eager to boost your Instagram engagement and connect with your audience on a deeper level? Well, look no further. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of Instagram polls. Ever wondered how to create a poll on Instagram that grabs your followers' attention and sparks meaningful conversations? With our step-by-step guide in this video, How to Create a Poll on Instagram, we'll walk you through the entire process. So grab your device and let's learn how to create polls on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your Android device or Windows PC. Log in with your Instagram username and password. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture or avatar at the bottom right corner to access your profile page. From your profile page, tap on the plus button or the create option to start creating a new post. Select Story from the options presented to create a new Instagram story. Now, either take a photo or video using your device's camera or upload one from your device's gallery. Once you have your photo or video ready, it's time to add the poll sticker. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the sticker options, select Poll to add a poll sticker to your story. Type in your poll question and customize the answer options as you like, and tap on the Done button at the top right. Position the poll sticker on your photo or video by dragging it to the desired location. Tap on Your Story at the bottom left to post your story with the poll. Voila! Your Instagram poll is now live and ready for your followers to engage with. Happy polling and have fun interacting with your followers. Hope this was easy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.